Hey, good morning. Good morning. Where you going? Gotta work. Go to work.
Over and over, you intrigued by the way I do my thing. Do what? We got the mic.
Scream and shout.
Yeah, what up, man? Take a look, you hypnotized. Touch your insides, for real, man. With your thick lips and thick thighs. Stroke I'm passing the Nate. I'm passing the jung. I'm passing the horse. Then I
Passing
started
the-
getting tossed.
Happiest day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Happy grand rising. Good morning, whatever you want to call it. I am on my way. I'm on my way. But anyway, today is a good day. It's a lot of traffic out here this morning. Are y'all on y'all way to work or what? What are y'all doing? What are y'all up to? It's a gloomy day too. Oh, I forgot. I didn't show y'all my smoothie I made. Got some strawberries, ginger, and cinnamon in here. So good. So good. So I don't know what we're gonna do today. I'll think of something when I get home because there's not much going on, y'all. I haven't been going in any stores to buy anything because I can't. I could use credit. I shouldn't say that. I just can't afford to do that right now, okay? I don't think it's wise to use credit cards at this time, but yeah, I just haven't been doing any shopping. The only place I really want to go, I would like to go to a Target because I think I mentioned to y'all, I would like to have some more, another towel. What else? It's just a few little tidbits, little things, like probably some like essentials or something. Other than that, that's it. But I ain't gonna bore y'all. I will pick y'all back up when I get off and can get home later. Okay? Peace. Hello, my friends. So what is on you guys' mind today? Mine, I don't know. I'm just here giving y'all some videos for Vlogmas. That's all she does. That's all she's been doing. But yeah, today is a good day. I hope you guys are doing well. I think I got some hair or something in my eye. Yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. Hope you guys are not stressing out. Don't stress out, okay? Do not stress out. But we're not doing too much today. I think this video is probably going to be one of the shortest videos in a minute that I can honestly bring to y'all because she ain't got much. But yeah, I am currently in the house. I'm gonna do a few things. I actually want to do something in my in the kitchen, and then I think I'm gonna remove something out of here and take it in the kitchen. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I did get a hit. I got actually I got 4 hits. 4 hits. On the dresser. You're probably like, hits on what? 4 hits on my dresser. So I messaged all the 4 people. I let them know when I was available, when they can come pick it up, what size car they can put it in. And I don't know. We'll see. I know a person yesterday, I was letting them know they could come. They were like, what time are you available? And I told them. They never responded after they reached out to me. So sometimes you got to be careful with some of these apps because they don't play fair, or some of the people they ain't right. So yeah, I know y'all hear the heat. This is forced heat in this house. It ain't like back in the day when they had, I was talking to my uncle who lives in Virginia about the cold stoves and stuff like that. What I remember my grandma having, where you used to put the coal in the stoves and it keep your house warmer longer. I wish we would go back to that today. So yeah. All right, y'all, that's enough of me ranting in this video. I'm about to go in the kitchen, do what I gotta do. Whatever comes to mind, I'll do it, okay? So hold the line, y'all. Hold the line. Let's go ahead and get this party started, okay? If you want to know, ootd. She just has on some white sweats with the pockets. These are actually another pair of those. Let me turn this light on. Of those Wild Fable. I have a pair of black ones like that, and my hair is wild. She's having a. I'm not having a wild day. I'm having a good day. It's just, you know. Is y'all face dirty? Hold on. Let me see if y'all face dirty. Is your face clean now? Okay. The face is clean now, or is it the eyes that need to be adjusted? Is it the, Sonia, is it the eyes? Because you know, sometimes your eyes don't play fair. So anyway, let's get on into the video. All right? All right, guys. It ain't really that much, but do y'all see how I have my cabinets here? Let me turn on another light to make sure y'all can see me really good. But do y'all see how I don't want all of this like this. I kind of don't want nothing at the top because there's nothing up at these tops. There's nothing up there. So basically, I'm just gonna move things around here. I got a coffee cup, one of my faves in here because I had a cup of coffee early this morning. So I'm gonna put this one down here. I'll put this one down here. That way I can see both of those, and I'll keep my glasses here. And then I can bring these down here. You know what? No. I'll put this one here. And then I can put this white one I just showed y'all up here with this one. Because this is like the matching one to it. And then this here. Can y'all see? Let me see if y'all can see what I'm doing. So y'all can see exactly what I'm trying to do. Okay. So these right here, I'm just going to bring these down. Y'all probably like, Sonia, why did you rotate them like that? Because, I don't know. I'm just being honest, I have no clue why I just did that. I have no clue. So we got those, and then I'm just going to add my little containers down here. Nothing wrong with reaching up there. I just don't, less is more. I keep trying to explain to y'all. And I keep trying to explain that the more peace you have in your home, the less stress that you have. So if you can minimize the things that's going on in your house, then things will be a little bit better. They'll flow better. I need to drink some of this right now while I remember, okay? So y'all already know, I just pour my brags inside the water. Like so, I think that's enough. I need to go get more water. Cause y'all know we got the lead. We got the lead. We got the lead. We got the lead. Now let me quit playing. I need to go get some more water out. I really do. So, yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all over here so y'all can see what it is that I'm talking about. What it is that I'm talking about. So look, don't that look much better? Look at that. Everything is like right where you can see it. And then in this one, everything is right where you can see it. I kind of want to move this over here, but I'm not sure how that will work. Let's try to see if that'll work out. Let's see. Let me close these up. And let me see if I can move my grinder and everything over so I can have less on my counter. See how that works. Okay. That might be all right, y'all. Is that all right? How did it, do that look all right? How does that look? I just don't want a lot on the counters. What y'all think? Do y'all like that instead or what? All that matters if Sonia likes it. And I think that's nice for a coffee station. So, hold on. Over here, y'all know I don't have anything. And I kind of had something over here before, but I end up moving it. I had those laundry containers and stuff right here, but I don't really want like that over here. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to go ahead and get that vase and bring it in here and see how that looks. I think I had it in here before. I just don't remember when, but you guys can refresh my memory because you've been here for a long time, so you already know, right? Okay, let's go get it. So here's the vase. I was going to put it under here where it has the light, but I was like, nah, we'll just take it in the kitchen. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. Playing around with decor actually can drive you crazy. But let me just make sure this is not, I don't want it to fall out the wall, but I don't know. I guess I like it too because of the lines. The lines go with the, you know, with the lines and the, y'all get what I'm saying. The lines go with the lines on the pattern of the wallpaper. So I'm just gonna leave that there. And that way I'm just eliminating some things, like I said, out of those cubby holes. Looking at them is just driving me nuts, you know. I just don't want a whole lot of stuff, y'all. So yeah, let me see what else. I don't know, y'all, that might do it for me. That might be the end of this part of the video. Because the kitchen is all the way together now. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I know what I wanted to do. I'm gonna take these cutting boards and move them. Hold on, y'all, let me put them where I want them. I don't know if that was in y'all's way, but let's see. I had them here before and then I moved them, but y'all let me know. Do y'all like that? Y'all think that's nice? Let me know in the comments below. I like it. Let me know what y'all think. But I'm gonna end the vlog here, and if I could pick it up with something else, then we'll do that. Until then, hold the line, please. Trying to do something with this hair. My lips are so dry. But yeah, guys, I am so over it. I am so over all these responsibilities of stuff. Everywhere you go, you see stuff. And I'm actually, now that I'm in this bathroom, I see something else I'm about to let go. Thought I had to have it so bad. Wanted it so bad. I thought I needed it so bad. Okay? That's funny. But y'all remember, I thought I needed this color towel so bad. I don't know, y'all. Casaluna. See, we be thrown off by brands and names, even though it's good quality. I haven't really been gravitating towards it at all. Like, to be honest with you, I have not been reaching for it to put right here to dry off my hands or even to dry off my face. It's just been sitting there. So I'm actually, like I said, the next time I get a chance to go to Target, I'm going to buy the towel that goes to this. This is a hand towel, so I'll be finding the matching towel to go to it. So that's what I will be doing that. But I think, I don't know, y'all. Let me know. Do y'all want it? Y'all can come pick it up. You want this? You can come and get it. No, but I'll probably drop it off at the place or whatever. But other than that, I just want all my stuff. So all I have now here is just my other washcloth. It's just me, so I only have like 2 washcloths, like, really. But anyway, I'll be back, y'all. I'll catch y'all back in a minute. Hey, y'all. Can y'all see me? Hopefully. It's getting dark. Real dark. I don't know if y'all can see how dark it is, but it's getting dark. I thought I'd come for a walk this evening because it wasn't too bad outside today. And I'm glad I did because there are a lot of more people out here than I would have thought because it's late. So I just thought I'd chime back on just to motivate somebody to get their steps in. Well, whenever you can. But I don't know, what's today's temperature? I think it might be 40 or something. Still kind of cold. I got my gloves and everything. And yeah. I had that vinegar water. I didn't finish it, but I brought it with me to finish it now. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Because I'm not putting nothing else in this vlog. We done been to work. We done did house stuff. We done went for a walk. Y'all done had I don't know if y'all can see can y'all see the Christmas lights back there? Right here? Like right there. People got their lights on. Y'all, it's dark. I don't know. It might look brighter because of my camera, but and then it's these kids on bikes, y'all, that look like they ain't up to no good. So let me make sure I'm on high alert, and I'll see y'all in a minute, okay? Yeah, you just wait a minute. They crossing over. Y'all probably be able to see them when I get past here. This is why I tell you, ladies, y'all better stay locked and freaking loaded. You see what I'm saying? Dude, y'all got on all black. Y'all got on backpacks. It don't look right. Not around this time. We got some time till Christmas. But this time of year, when December come, don't be riding around here with backpacks and all black on and stuff. And then too, don't be leaving stuff in your car either. You know what I'm saying? I leave nothing in my front seats. I don't put my purse on. No. But I don't trust them. I gotta follow my intuition. So I'm almost down where I need to be to my car. Then I'll be done. But I'll catch up with y'all in a little while. Oh, there's somebody else coming with a kid. I don't know if y'all be able to see, but there's somebody coming right here with the kid. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.